Keoladeo National Park is a man-made and man-managed wetland and one of the national parks of India. The reserve protects Bharatpur from frequent floods, provides grazing grounds for village cattle, and earlier was primarily used as a waterfowl hunting ground. The 29 square kilometer reserve is locally known as Ghana and is a mosaic of dry grasslands, woodlands, woodland swamps, and wetlands. These diverse habitats are home to 366 bird species, 379 floral species, 50 species of fish, 13 species of snakes, 5 species of lizards, 7 amphibian species, 7 turtle species, and variety of other invertebrates. By virtue of being one of the best bird watching sites of Asia, more than 1 lakh visitors come to the park every year. The range of visitors varies from very serious bird watchers to school children. Of the visitors, 45,000 are foreign tourists. In addition, the location of the park is such that tourists visiting Agra, Fatehpur Sikri, and Jaipur invariably stop over at Bharatpur. The park opens from sunrise to sunset around the year. Food and accommodation facilities are available within the picnics of the park. The only accommodation inside the Keoladeo National Park is available in the property of government Bharatpur Ashoka Forest Lodge and lesser expensive Shandi Kutir, which is maintained and run by the ITDC. Bharatpur Forest Lodge is a quaint hotel in the vicinity of natural treasure trove of the park and has a total of 16 rooms to offer to visitors. Its circuits around and Dak Bungalow also offer good accommodation options. Visitors coming to Bharatpur can also stay in palaces, havelis, and other heritage properties converted into hotels. It is always advisable to have one's accommodation pre-booked, especially so during winters. An array of 3-star hotels and resorts are also located in the vicinity of the park where visitors can stay cozily. Besides the normal tourist activities and self-arranged bird watching tours of the Keoladeo National Park, visitors can adopt or opt for a tour of this birding destination by selecting from an array of luxury tourist train services. Luxury trains like Palace on Wheels include Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in its tour itinerary.